Are you a lover of neat braids? I mean braids that are neatly done. Come closer because definitely you will like this video. Yes, you will like it. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's still your girl Favor Built to Watch channel, your fashion blogger, your hairstyle blogger. So in this particular video, you'll be seeing so many beautiful, stylish and mind-blowing neat braid hairstyle transformation. The ones you can do with one pack of extension, the ones you can do as just normal cornrow, the ones you can do as ponytail braids, stitch braids, just name it. So many amazing braid hairstyle transformation. So guys, if this sounds like what you're interested in, hit on the subscribe button to join the family, like the video, which is giving it a thumbs up. You're not actually doing any of this with money. No, you're not doing any of it with money. So guys, tell me, have you tried out any of this braid hairstyle that you're seeing in this particular video? Will you be trying it out? When you tried it out, that is, if you have actually tried it out, what was your experience? Did it come out neat? Did it come out beautiful? Or the hairstylist did a bad job? Just let us know that. My returning viewers and subscribers, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys' love and support. You guys' love and support has actually been so good to me. It has actually gone a long way for me. Look at this particular one. This one is a beautiful and a stylish stitch braid hairstyle too. And this is a tutorial on how to achieve it. So if you have been longing for a way to like learn how to make a perfect stitch braid hairstyle, maybe for yourself, for your daughter, for your friend, or for your customer as a hairstylist, watch this particular video because I'm sure you will be learning something beautiful. You will be learning something good from it. Yes, look at this particular one too. This one is so beautiful and stylish. God, I don't even know the one to choose between all these hairstyles that I'm showing you guys here because all of them are so good and perfect. Like if I'm to choose, I'll be choosing up to 4, 5, 6. Forgive me, oh, but it's so beautiful anyway. It's so good. Look at this one. This one actually 8. It's giving 10 over 10 minus nothing. Yes, it's giving 10 over 10 minus nothing. So guys, tell me, have you tried out any of it or will you be trying it out? Thanks for watching. Bye.